UVMax. Replacing the UV lamp. The UV lamp must be replaced after 9,000 hours of continuous use, approximately 1 year. Shut off the water line to the chamber and release system pressure before servicing. Disconnect the main power source to the unit and allow the unit to cool for 10 minutes. Remove the lamp connector by pulling the tabs out and then pulling from the connector. Hold the sleeve bolt with one hand and turn the lamp counterclockwise to the left and pull the lamp out of the chamber. Set aside or safely dispose of the old lamp. Contact your municipality or look up your municipality's guidelines on how to safely dispose of the used lamps. Insert the new lamp into the quart sleeve and thread into the sleeve bolt until there is a hard stop. Align the connector pins with the lamp connector by rotating the ring clamp. Push the lamp connector down onto the lamp pins and the ring clamp pins until an audible click is heard. Ensure the connector is engaged on both sides. Restore power to the controller. Reset day counter. Power up the unit. After the unit is powered up, hold in the button with the spinning arrows on it for 10 to 15 seconds until the counter changes to 365. You will hear a beep as you push in on the button,